Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Insights. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting tech battles of 2025, the iPhone 16e versus the Google Pixel 9. Both phones are packed with impressive features, powerful hardware, and sleek designs. But which one truly earns the crown this year? Let's jump right into it. Starting with the design, the iPhone 16e sticks with Apple's minimalist premium approach. It has an aerospace-grade aluminum body and an edge-to-edge ceramic shield display. Apple finally ditched the notch in favor of the dynamic island, which feels modern and intuitive. It just feels solid in the hand, sleek, balanced, and unmistakably Apple. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 takes a more playful and bold direction. It's clear that Google wanted to make a statement with this device, and they've succeeded. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's about making the phone feel like an extension of your personality. It has a slightly curved back that feels comfortable to hold, fitting naturally in your hand. This ergonomic design ensures that you can use the phone for extended periods without any discomfort. And Google kept that signature horizontal camera bar. Only this time it's sleeker and less bulky. This design choice not only looks modern, but also helps in balancing the phone when placed on a flat surface. It's available in fun, vibrant colors with a matte finish that resists fingerprints better than most glossy phones. The matte finish gives it a premium feel while ensuring that it remains clean and smudge-free. So while the iPhone screams elegance, the Pixel screams creativity. Each color option is designed to stand out and make a statement, reflecting the user's unique style. You choose what suits your vibe. Whether you prefer the classic, sophisticated look of the iPhone or the bold, expressive design of the Pixel, there's something for everyone. The choice ultimately comes down to what resonates with you personally. Now when it comes to displays, both phones are top tier. The iPhone 16e comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. It's sharp, bright, and supports promotion with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, making everything feel buttery smooth from gaming to scrolling through Instagram. The Pixel 9 has a 6.2-inch AMOLED display that's just a hair bigger. It also offers 120Hz, rich colors, and higher peak brightness than the Pixel 8. HDR content looks amazing, and animations are fluid. If we're being honest, both displays are incredible, but the iPhone has a slight edge in color accuracy and outdoor visibility. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e packs Apple's custom A16 Bionic chip. This thing is an absolute beast. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or switching between 10 apps, it handles it with ease and stays cool while doing it. It's built for power and efficiency, and most importantly, it runs iOS like a dream. The Pixel 9 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a chip that's no slouch either. It's fast, efficient, and can easily handle anything you throw at it. Multitasking, gaming, photo editing, it's all smooth. However, in side-by-side benchmarks, the A16 Bionic still outpaces the Snapdragon in both CPU and GPU performance. If raw power is what you're after, the iPhone's your best bet. Google's Pixel phones are known for their cameras, and the Pixel 9 continues that legacy. It features a 50-megapixel main sensor and an ultra-wide lens, and paired with Google's amazing software, it delivers stunning photos. Night Sight, Magic Eraser, Real Tone, these features make your shots look professional even in tough lighting. It's especially impressive in low light and dynamic environments. The iPhone 16e counters with a powerful quad-camera setup, including a wide, ultra-wide telephoto and a LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. Apple's Deep Fusion and Smart HDR deliver vibrant, sharp images. The video capabilities, still the best in the game. Dolby Vision Cinematic Mode and ProRes support make the iPhone 16e the go-to for content creators. Battery life is another area people really care about. The iPhone 16e can go up to 12 hours with mixed use, and that's thanks to the efficiency of the A16 chip and iOS optimization. Charging is limited to 25-watt wired and 15-watt MagSafe wireless, which isn't the fastest, but it gets the job done safely. The Pixel 9 gets about 10 hours of battery life, a bit less than the iPhone. But it supports faster charging at 30 watts wired and 20 watts wireless. Plus, it includes reverse wireless charging, which is perfect for topping up your earbuds on the go. On the other side, iOS 18 on the iPhone 16e is as smooth and secure as ever. The new AI-driven features, enhanced widgets, and home screen customization options have made iOS more flexible while still being reliable. Everything just works, and works together flawlessly with other Apple devices. Speaking of working together, in today's interconnected world, the importance of seamless integration between devices cannot be overstated. Apple's ecosystem remains one of its strongest weapons. The way their devices communicate with each other is unparalleled. If you already own a MacBook, you'll find it incredibly easy to sync with other Apple devices. Whether it's the Apple Watch or iPad, the integration is seamless. The iPhone 16e fits in perfectly, making your digital life more cohesive. You get seamless file sharing with AirDrop, instant connectivity with AirPods, and much more. The continuity across your devices ensures that you can switch between them without missing a beat. Google's ecosystem is catching up, offering a compelling alternative for those invested in their products. Especially with the Pixel Watch and Chromebook integration, Google is making strides in device connectivity. However, it's not quite at Apple's level of polish and interconnectivity. The journey towards a perfectly integrated ecosystem continues. Security-wise, the iPhone 16e still leads with Face ID on-device Siri processing and strong privacy protections. Apple's commitment to user privacy is well known. The Pixel 9 is also secure with both facial recognition and a fingerprint scanner, plus Android 15's updated privacy dashboard. But Apple's end-to-end encryption and app transparency still give it the edge. Let's talk price, the part that often makes or breaks a decision. The iPhone 16e starts at $799, which is typical for Apple. The Pixel 9 comes in a bit cheaper at $699. Both offer solid value, but if you're on a tighter budget and still want a flagship experience, the Pixel 9 might be the smarter buy. That said, the iPhone holds its value better over time, gets longer software support, often 5 years or more, and has excellent resale potential. So how do you choose? If you're all about photography, casual content creation, and want clean Android with timely updates, the Pixel 9 is fantastic. If you're into gaming, video production, own other Apple devices, and want the smoothest overall experience, the iPhone 16e is a beast. For creative types who want flexibility, Pixel 9 makes sense. For professionals who want tight ecosystem integration, iPhone is the winner. In the end, both are incredible devices. They represent the best of what Apple and Google have to offer in 2025. It really comes down to what you value more, freedom and AI smarts or polish and performance. So which one are you going for? Is it the sleek design and seamless integration of the iPhone, or the innovative features and customization options of the Pixel? Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Pixel or Team iPhone? Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps us understand what you, our amazing audience, prefer. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Whether it's the camera quality, battery life, or user interface, every opinion counts. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who might be in the market for a new phone. Ring that bell so you never miss a deep tech breakdown like this. We dive into the details so you can make the best choice for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and comparisons. Also, don't forget to share this video on your social media platforms. It helps us reach more tech enthusiasts like you. For more in-depth reviews and the latest tech news, visit our website. You'll find detailed articles and exclusive content there. Your support means the world to us. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.